It's 7:47. I'm in the car park looking for my car. GG. We are late, but I cannot find my car. Okay, I've sent Chanel and Max to their work and school. Now, I'm gonna bring my mom to the market.
爸爸可以，
她躺我很
爸爸
爽。
可以。
It's 8:38 now. The market parking lot is so full. I have to park somewhere else. Iced coffee. The video that I uploaded yesterday morning has now like 80 plus views, over 80 views within 24 hours, and it's crazy to me. It's like, wow, I think it's like the most within 24 hours I've basically it's just good, it's super good, it's the best so far, and thank you guys. I'm not working today, so yeah, just gonna spend the day with my mom. And yeah, okay, my mom is gonna meet me on the bus. That means she's gonna take the bus. So she's gonna take the bus, and then I just have to catch the right bus to meet her. Let's hope I don't miss the bus. What are those? Seems like USB. Do you think it's charging port? Hey, really? Hey, you can charge your phone on the bus. Apparently, my sister says that the function has been around for a while, but I don't really take the bus. I rather take the train. 不是这里上吗？到不够咯。刘家上刘家吃，就吃一个东西。呵呵呵呵。哈哈哈哈哈！Okay, I was just editing some YouTube shorts. I think making YouTube shorts can be quite fun, but I just like most of the things in life, I'm not quite good at it. I need more practice. Yeah, so maybe watch more of my shorts. If you like them, share them with people. I don't know. I have absolutely no idea how does. I'm quite new to this vertical short form video. Yeah, I think it has been around for a few years, but I was only introduced to it a few months back, I think. It's raining and we are letting the kid wear raincoat for the first time. Why are you wearing raincoat and taking the umbrella? You can see from the camera, but actually the atmosphere is very greenish yellow right now. Not quite my vibe, but I like things like that are different. Having a meeting in 2 minutes. Okay, I think that's all for today. I want to rest. Please subscribe. I think, yeah, it will help me a lot.